I'm Todd Hylton. I'm the VP of Strategy at Looq. Started with Looq at the beginning when the founders, Dom and Shreyas, were students at UCSD and I was on the faculty there. Dom comes to me and says, hey, I got this idea. I'm going to build this camera and this software system. We're going to build 3D models at survey grade. And I'm going like, what? You mean like anybody can do it? He says, yeah, anybody can do it. I'm like, you mean, so it's like digital photography but in 3D kind of thing? And he said, yeah, that's kind of what I mean. And I was like, wow, that could be huge, right? I mean, the world in 3D, anybody can do it. So we start the company, and we don't quite know what we're going to sell to yet. We just got this cool technical idea, right? And it took a lot of work, right, to figure out, okay, you know, what's the go-to-market strategy and who's the target customer and so forth. And, you know, it took a while, but, you know, we started with probably the hardest possible technical customer, which is surveyors, because they want everything to be perfect and accurate all the time. And that was the right choice. This is a market that's ready for disruption. New business model, new people, new tech. We're right on top of it. And so we're right out at the forefront of this market of surveying, which most people don't pay any attention to, which is the most demanding technical application we can imagine. And then we just take a little step further, which is our next market step, is we're doing utility infrastructure, electric utility infrastructure. There's 200 million distribution poles in the United States that carry the electricity for everything that we do. Most of them are documented. They fall down all the time. Stuff doesn't work. And we don't know what's on them. So we got to document all that stuff. Not only that, there's huge pressure, right? We're building data centers. I mentioned the bad weather that's knocking stuff down. We've got new energy sources to bring online, huge transformation in the industry, huge need for data. If you can't get it on a computer, essentially you can't build it or fix it anymore. And that's what we do. We get all the data in the format at high resolution, high detail, so that we can build the world that we want. And then, of course, you know, the whole we're going to do the world in 3D, everybody can do it everywhere. Well, that comes naturally after we solve these very hard problems first, where there's already a gigantic opportunity. So you can see I'm a little bit excited about it. And so I hope you're interested. And if you are, check us out. We've got a website. Just go to Looq AI, or, you know, contact me and we'll be happy to chat.